Okay, we have seen people getting amazing results, a humongous amount of weight loss by following a low carb diet or a ketogenic diet. But what happens is that the moment you stop those particular regime of program, you gain back all the weight that you've lost. So what you need to understand here is that how do we achieve a lifestyle or eating habits that is sustainable, which suits you the best, and you can go along with probably through the entire life. We will share something very interesting which is high in macro like proteins and high in fats. And that's when you could call it as a good ketogenic diet. So we will share that quickly.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here. And today we're going to be doing a low carb egg wrap. So it's going to be really interesting. Why? Because it's highly healthy.
Yep.
It's very low in calories. It has a complete amino acid profile. And yes, it has good essential fats. 2 whole eggs. 1 tablespoon coconut flour. Rock salt. You could also add 1 tablespoon of water if desired. 1 teaspoon of olive oil, my beaten egg on it. Avocado. To that we're going to add half a lime. Garlic, some microgreens, some black pepper, some salt as per taste, and lastly some cheese. So our healthy low carb egg wraps are ready. Please try them and leave the comment below to us how they are made. You could also click a picture and share it and let us know how well they have been done.
Alright guys, so you want to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. At the same time, hit the bell button that you get to know when we have a new video for you guys coming up. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.
Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you.